twatindikire undi ntoche tutindike lakini ayonsi tukwiranĩrio mwanene mbia mono kiagere mipango ya nyasaye njanya guquestioniwa
Naboigo eskuru ya St. Angela's yogotoka sinza cha Sengera nigo boigo yakoria matemasiri ase enchera ya bene nigo umwarimu mane weskuru yatebire buna eskuru nigo yanyore mini ya 7.0 ase boigo bagokereta machibu yo mwakoyo.
Sister Maria Goreti Sesera, Principal St. Angela Sengera Girls.
So generally, what can you comment on the results you've gotten, the food results, and how the transition, how the distribution has been?
As a school, we are so grateful. We thank God who has made us reach this far. At least our girls performed well. We had a mean score of 7.072, an improvement from last year, which had 5.9, and our best girl had an A-. Our direct university entry, we have 131 students, and we expect the 2023 class will improve, and we shall have more than 150 and above, because we have the potential. And when you look on our results, the curve is a normal one, an indication that our girls worked well and they balanced their results.